Our 7th stop on our winter trip was at Thousand Trails Orlando, also known as TTO. This is our 5th time here. Check it out and see why.
We're Dave and Karen from Walks on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
Turn right on Thousand Trails Boulevard.
Check-in time at TTO is at noon and not 1 minute earlier, and they will not let you line up and wait. Checkout is at 11 a.m. We drop our smart car off the back of the Freedom Hauler in the Walmart parking lot just down the street before we get to the campground to make things easier once we get in line. They will have the RV go to the staging area first with any other vehicles behind. If you have a walkie-talkie system, you may hear them calling out what sites are open or taken. We highly recommend you take a look at the campground map or video of the campground to see what area you would like to be in so that they can see if they have a spot for you, as you will select your site upon arrival. They can also take you on a golf cart ride around to see if you can find a site you like, especially if you are long like we are. TTO is open year-round with 1,017 sites.
We just got to the Orlando campground. It's 12:35 on a Saturday, and there is quite the backup to get to the staging area to figure out where we are going to park our rig. So we just went for a ride to see if we could find a spot. Everybody else has gone around us, and the parking lot's now empty, and it's 1 o'clock. So fast-paced move, and I wonder where we're going.
You do not need to have a Thousand Trails membership to stay there, and you can book online at 𝗏𝗟𝗪𝗠𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 30 amp electric for RVs up to 45 feet. 50 amp service is based upon availability at check-in, but we've never had a problem getting 50 amp service. Retail rates are $53 per night or $46 per night for a weekly rate. TTO Campground is designed to cater to a wide range of interests, and whether you're looking to relax, socialize, or get active, they have a lot to offer. Their staff members lead a variety of planned activities. It's a well-maintained park with its brand new section of approximately 160 sites, complete with concrete pads, picnic tables, and grassy areas. We happen to enjoy the older section because we like the trees and a little more space. TTO offers limited Wi-Fi, and they do have very good cell service there. The campground offers a good location near local attractions, including the popular Orlando theme parks, and they're 20 minutes away from Disney. Recently, they renovated the pool areas, and they are in the process of building a dedicated building for laundry services. Please see our other videos about this campground linked in the description below. They have a clubhouse, swimming pools, fishing, fitness center, store, restroom with shower facilities, boat rental, horseshoes, a library, pickleball, shuffleboard, hot tub. They have the lake. Pets are welcome. They have a dog park, mini golf, laundry facilities, playground, billiards and game room, and a business center. You also can have packages sent there, but there is a $5 charge for each one. This campground is a perfect combination of fun in the sun and rest and relaxation. Separate from the Florida tourist attractions, this campground offers a tranquil setting along the shores of a spring-fed lake with sandy beaches. They are also very close to shopping and restaurants. Publix is right next door, and there are tons of restaurants all around. They also offer lots of activities, and their staff personnel are very friendly and helpful. Some additional activities include co-ed water aerobics, creative arts and craft classes and projects, jam sessions, line dancing, men and women exercise classes, tournaments, weekly dances, wood carving, ceramics, church service, computer club, kids activities, live entertainment, potlucks, square, line, round, and ballroom dancing, volleyball court, and sand badminton. As you probably have seen in pictures, they have a huge checkerboard and chessboard out on the lawn in front of the rec center. They also have a fresh produce market that'll show up now and then, and also some food trucks. If you get bored, it's your own fault.
We just got to the Orlando campground. It's 12:35 on a Saturday, and there is quite the backup to get to the staging area to figure out where we are going to park our rig. So here's the putt-putt course, mini golf at Orlando, 18 holes, and they all are in really nice condition, and it's really pretty playing in here. Dave's kicking my ass.
We decided to try out Miller's Ale House, which is only 8 miles away down US 192. Their pretzel was really good. Their lobster ravioli was good. Their fajitas were excellent. And we came back again. Their onion soup was really good. Their salads were really good. And even their fish was good. So we came back a third time for a special that they had on prime rib on Thursday nights. Dave had the ribs, which were very good. Prime rib was terrible. It was tough and hard to chew. I even saw somebody at the table next to us, and they said theirs was tough as well. So it seems like most everything else is really good at Miller's Ale House, but not the prime rib. As I mentioned before, take a look at our other videos that we've done in Orlando and the surrounding area and other restaurants and places to visit. I will link those videos in the description below. But here's some more pictures and our report card coming up. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.